Hey guys, what's up? Jumping right into today's video. It is in collaboration with Teddy Blake, you guys. So when you first receive your handbag, you do receive this nice sleek black and white box, you guys. You also receive 2 different quotes on Teddy Blake's box, which is really nice. You also receive your bag inside bubble wrap and a dust bag to protect your bag from any type of damage. And I must say, Teddy Blake is on point with how their bag came packaged, and I love it so much. So just to tell you all a bit about the company, Teddy Blake makes handbags for every style and design. So no matter what's your fashion, they have a bag for you. Their bags are made with luxurious leather, you guys. They also respect the company's label and history. So Teddy Blake bag is characterized by high quality construction, you guys. Attention to all detail using exquisite material as all luxury brands. Teddy Blake made it possible by offering design handbags with all the key characteristics by removing the $1 to $2,000 added to the handbag cost. So with Teddy Blake, we can enjoy luxury at a fair price. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, I will be talking to you guys about my new purse that I received from Teddy Blake. So yes, you guys, don't forget to like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and make sure you guys share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys, sharing is caring. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So you guys, today I will be reviewing Teddy Blake's new purse that they sent over to me. You guys, they did send over their Lola Croc 15-inch purse. So y'all, I picked this purse out specifically because, let's just be honest, Christmas is actually around the corner. So like I was saying, you guys, I chose this bag specifically because Christmas is around the corner and we're in the holidays and we're so festive, y'all, and we need a nice bomb bag to have with us, right? So with this bag, you guys, it is dark red. Like I said, it is a Lola Croc, so it's crocodile style. So yeah, so basically I love this pocketbook, so I'm going ahead and show you guys it right now. So I showed you guys how it came packaged. You guys, look at this purse. So nice, right? So this is the front. This right here is the back. Definitely get your Teddy Blake logo right here in the front. And like I said before, the texture of this bag is crocodile. All right, y'all, so basically the first thing that I do love about this bag is the style. I do love the box style of the purse. I don't know if you guys actually saw my last video with Teddy Blake. The bag actually looks just like this one, and I don't know why, but I gravitate towards more of the boxy look in the purses. I don't know why, y'all, but I just love those styles. I also love that you can wear this pocketbook on your shoulder if you do not like to wear your bag as a handbag, because it does come with shoulder straps, you guys. These shoulder straps are adjustable. I also love the gold details. So just right here, the details on that, and then on the opening part of the purse as well, and the Teddy Blake words. So right now, just opening up the bag, you guys can see inside it comes with this paper. That way your bag can keep its shape. So that's up to you. Once you start using your bag, you want to put that back in. I love to keep that paper inside of my purses because it keeps the shape. So that's something that you can keep to the side. I do love how big this purse is. I love the material on the inside of this purse as well, you guys. You do get like a suede material. You also get another pocket with a zipper right here. Open it up and show you guys. I say this right here is good for like lip gloss and things like that. And the material on the inside is black, like black suede. And I am a mom of 8 children, so this pocketbook right here is definitely perfect. So basically, I do love my purse. I'm going to show you guys how it looks on my arm and on my shoulder, because I am the type of person, I like to wear mine like this, but I'm gonna show you guys how it looks also with me putting the strap on this bag as well. So let's go ahead and get started. All right guys, so all I did was take the clips and clip it right here on the inside of this purse. Alright y'all, so right now I'm just showing you guys what the bag looks like on my arm, and I must say that I am so in love. I am definitely going to be wearing this to all my holiday occasions, you guys, even if it's just running to the store, because I feel like you can dress this bag up and you can dress this bag down as well, you guys. So I would definitely have to adjust mine, but yeah. So I love this bag so much. I feel like this bag is going to be incorporated into my everyday life so well, because it is big enough for me to just throw whatever I need inside this bag. I will have all of Teddy Blake's information in my description box below, so you guys can be sure to shop with them and save some coins for their Black Friday sale.